KBDcraft's Adam is a 60% hot-swappable, VIAL programmable gasket mount keyboard whose case is built from Lego-like bricks. Despite being an impressive and inexpensive specimen, there are 3 things I don't like about it. The utilization of non-genuine Lego parts, the boring colors, and some debatable design choices, e.g. thin base plates instead of thicker ones, and these 2 little plates instead of tiles without studs. Therefore, I bought only the PCB kit and stabilizers from KeyGem, while the case parts from Lego Pick-a-Brick, in order to build the 2 models I made via Studio. The first is basically the original design revised with a few tweaks and more attractive colors. The second is a complete redesign by me, motivated by the fact that I love symmetry. Coming up, their respective parts list plus instructions, and finally a quick typing test of this case, paired with silent linear switches and PBT keycaps. Please enjoy and fare you well for now.